My name is Katie. I'm a social care worker at Eveness. I work directly with children, young people and mothers. In my role, I support children and young people to make sense of their experiences of domestic abuse, including what happens when they have to leave their home and come to refuge. I'm here to reassure and support them and to facilitate ways they can express their feelings and experiences. In my role, I also aim to alleviate any concerns they may have and to answer to the best of my ability any questions they have. I work closely with mums to support them in their role and to offer parenting support to best help them support their children. When domestic abuse occurs in a home, it doesn't occur in a vacuum. Its forms and impact vary from individual to individual, so the experiences of mum and children are unique. Depending on the child's age, we will support mum approaching conversations with her child or children regarding the events that have happened in the home, including events that may have resulted in a relationship breaking down, mum and her children needing to leave the home, or events that followed with contact with Gardaí, a social worker or judge. We know that talking to your child about legal proceedings can be difficult. Finding the right words to describe what may happen as you go through court proceedings can be as confusing for mums and children alike. Domestic abuse is a crime, and there are legal protections like a protection order, safety order, and barring order that mum may consider to safeguard herself and her children. There may also be applications that mum may make, like guardianship, custody, maintenance, access. At times we see court orders where mum is asked to present her child or children in court. If this happens, her child or children will attend court with her on the day. This can be scary and confusing for mum and children alike. When talking to your child, it's important to have conversations that are age appropriate. Finding the correct information to convey can be difficult, and I support mums to consider this in advance of speaking to her child. Children may have overheard conversations on the phone or between family members and could have come to their own conclusions about what court is. Talking with your child allows you the opportunity to give them correct and safe information that they can understand. As a support worker to children and young people, my role is to relate to children to help them feel important, cared for, listened to, believed, less burdened, less alone. My role is to support mum doing this also. Children may be thinking about being scared of their or their mum's abuser, and if they will follow through with threats they may have heard or overheard or witnessed. They may be wondering where mum or their family members will be if they are placed out of the family home. They may be curious about whether they will return home or if they will see the other parent or family members again, and they may want the process to end as quickly as possible. These are all very normal feelings for a child, and the way in which conversations are approached and facilitated can alleviate some of their concerns or worries. When talking to your child, you can talk to them about many things, such as what the court is and what the judge's job is. You can explain that there will be Garda present in the court and that their job is to protect everyone. You can explain to your child that they are a witness, and what a witness does, for example, is tell a truthful story about something they may have seen or heard. You can explain to your child who will be in the courtroom, for example, the judge, the court clerk, any legal representatives and Garda. You can also show them what the courtroom will look like or draw with them the courtroom, showing where each person will be, including anyone they may know. In my role, I can support you or your child with access to videos and photos of the courtroom. There may be times where your child will see the other parent or family members in courts. It's important to discuss with your child that while they may see the other parent or family members, they might not be able to spend time with or go home with them. Ultimately, we are here to provide you and your child with as much support and information around the court process and what to expect as you require.
My name is Niamh and I'm a court support worker at Eveness. I work directly with mums and their children to access legal support and protection. In my role, I help mum prepare for court by supporting her in her application for legal protection and in preparation for scheduled court hearings. I aim to alleviate any concerns mum may have and to help prepare her. If your child or children have to attend court, I will support you with a plan. This might include getting access to a quiet room, supporting you prepare your child, and supporting you prepare some snacks and drinks. Perhaps your child's favourite toy, a comforter, or some activities like colouring books and pencils. I support mum to validate their child's feelings and experiences. I will also support mum to help limit their child's exposure to conversations with mum's legal team, and I'll help reassure her child or children of the process and what they can expect. Ultimately, we are here to provide you and your child with as much support and information around the court process and what to expect as you require.
If you need immediate help or support, please contact our 24-hour free phone helpline on 1800 767 767. If you would like to learn more about our court preparation and accompaniment service, please check out our website evenis.ie or contact us on 01912 1670. This video has been made possible through funding provided by Crime Victim Support, Department of Justice.